The first recommendation that we have is Bharti Airtel. So a very gradual decline in the stock from its record high, but of late it has reclaimed its long-term averages. So that indicates a possibility of a rebound. So uh, especially it's a low beta counter. We hardly see any volatile swings, and plus we have multiple supports also around the current area. So we expect this recovery to definitely strengthen and inch towards 1650 mark. But since it's a volatile market, we are into the last week of expiry. One should be slightly cautious, and we have recommended to accumulate in cash in the mentioned range, not in the FNO or through option position. Right. So in cash segment, we can recommend our clients to buy Bharti Airtel with 1650 as a target area.
The next stock for the day is Infosys. So as we are seeing, IT is among the top performing sector, and Infosys is also trading in line with the move. Now, it rebounded strongly from the support of its previous demand zone and now gave a breakout from a inverted head and shoulder, which suggests this renewed buying interest in the stock. So, considering the price action and the overall sectoral outlook, one can consider to go long in Infi in the given range, keeping a stop at 1850 with a target of 2010. The last stock for the day is Jubilant Food. So, in this higher time frame, the stock has swiftly rebounded from almost the neckline support of its reversal pattern, which signals a potential upward momentum from current levels. Also, if you see the volume have been above average during this move, underscoring the significant buying interest. So, with RSI also in buy mode, we can expect this positive rally to continue. And hence, one can buy Jubilant Food between 635 to 638 with a stop loss of 617 and a target of 675. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.